Hello everyone, welcome back to the LearnVatika channel. Today we are starting with a new course, that is Database Management System, or you can also say DBMS. In this new course, we will start with the first topic: what is data, what is database, and what is a file system. So data is referred to as a collection of raw facts or figures that can be processed to derive the meaning of knowledge. It is a collection of information gathered by observations, measurements, research, and analysis. In simpler terms, the data is any fact that can be stored. Data can be processed. Data, when processed, becomes information. Information is a knowledge obtained from the studying of and instructing data. For example, suppose you consider an example as a Raj is a just data that can be written in a register. But when you assign the person name, comes the information. That is the name of that person. Consider a string outage. Suppose consider the number 12 could mean the age, pocket money, or a roll number. Hence, this data is data when we can say the roll number 12 it becomes the information. So So what is a database actually? The database is a structured collection of integrated data organized in a way that enables the efficient storage, retrieval, and manipulation of information. The key characteristic of the database that includes it is a collection of irrelevant data, can be stored in a form of tables, it can be of the any size. There are some examples like in databases. Uh, for in multimedia data, there are two databases like multimedia databases and college databases. In multimedia databases, the image table would contain the information about images like pixels, length, and width. Similarly, the video table would have features like pixels and video length. The image and the video tables could be part of the multimedia database. Similarly, for the college database, it could be the professor or students table that are related to the timetable of our class schedule. Here are the some examples of the here is some examples where the two tables like table table A and suppose this considered as a table B. uh, Here you can see the ID and name are the common for both the tables like this ID and this name. Uh, Hence we can collect the related data when you are merging these two tables and you created a new table uh, with the columns ID, name, subject, and place. So the next topic is like what is file system? A file system is a structure that can operate system uses to manage and organize the files and storage devices such as hard drive or USB flash drive. It defines how the data is organized, accessed, and stored on the storage devices. The file system acts as an interface between the user and the data. But there are some disadvantages of the file system also. Now, the first disadvantage is the data redundancy. Imagine a company using a separate spreadsheet for sales, customer contract, and inventory. If the customer buys a product, the information might be entered in all the three spreadsheets that causing the duplication. That's correct. So the next disadvantages is poor memory utilization. Due to storing the same information like customer name and a phone number in multiple spreadsheets, memory resources are poorly utilized. For the data inconsistency, if the customer data is updated in a customer's contact spreadsheet but remain unchanged in a sales spreadsheet, it causes a data inconsistency. Next one is data security. File systems do not ensure the controlled access for sensitive data. In DBMS, it is possible to limit the access to specific data, which protects against unauthorized access. There are some real life applications for the database management system. Uh, the first one is a banking system. The DBMS maintains the centralized and secure databases for the customer information like personal details and transaction history. For example, the bank rarely on a DBMS ensure the data consistency when the handling millions of transactions. Airlines like a reservation system, airlines uses the DBMS to manage their flight schedules, seat availability, and reservation. DBMS helps to maintain their data integrity across thousands of flights and millions of passengers. And the next one is the education systems. School and universities uses the DBMS store and manage the student information that such as the academic records and attendance. For example, when a new student is admitted, the record is added to the database seamlessly. So, in the as in this video, we'll learn about the three topics. It is data, database, and file system. In our next video, we will see the new more topics based in database management system. Till that time, thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.